Welcome to the series of Learning Arabic in 3 minutes. Please make like and subscribe to the channel and share the video. Today, inshallah, we are going to learn how to say in Arabic, you made me. How to say, you made me in Arabic. And as we usually do, we will take an example first. You made me happy. You made me happy. How to say it in Arabic language? You made me happy. Well, we will say, لقد جعلتني سعيدا. لقد جعلتني سعيدا. So, you made me means لقد جعلتني, and it will be followed by a noun or followed by a present tense. It depends. So, for example, you made me strong. You made me strong. لقد جعلتني قويا. لقد جعلتني قويا. You made me strong. The next example. You made me cry. You made me cry. لقد جعلتني. You made me لقد جعلتني cry. أبكي. The last one. You made me remember. First we will put لقد جعلتني. You made me means لقد جعلتني. Remember أتذكر. لقد جعلتني قويا. لقد جعلتني أبكي. لقد جعلتني أتذكر. That's the end of this video. So please, my friend, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel.